What's up, guys? We are back for our final break of the night. Last break of the night. Yes, Don. Kinlaw, Ayuk, and some colored stars. So your Wander Franco auto wasn't enough, huh? Alright guys, here's our owner's list for the last break of the night. This is our Mosaic 2020 Mosaic Football Cello Packs 1 box break number 26. This is number 26. Here's our teams and our owners. Yeah, I know. It'd be a shame if it didn't get to you somehow, Don. Just kidding. Here's our Mosaic sealed box. Don, I actually put it in one of the those leaf boxes I opened earlier. I actually put all your cards in one of those, so it's nice and snug for you, safe and sound. Phil St. P with the, let me guess, Dolphins, right? Yep. Yeah, you do. You got the Dolphins. You're gonna sit there and make me. You're gonna sit there and make me pull a Tua for you, huh? No, Don, we're keeping them. We're keeping all the unsolds tonight. I know you do, Don. That's why I got you one. What's going on tonight, Phil? Philip St. Pierre. Philip buys the Dolphins in every break. He must be chasing somebody. Or else, why would he buy the Dolphins? Is there somebody on the Dolphins that's good that I don't know about? He's chasing Ryan Fitzpatrick, huh? Booty Bok Choy. Welcome. Good luck to you. If you're in the break, let me know what team you have, and I'll try to pull something for you. Alright, there we go. All the packs are out. We'll save the Mosaic pinks for last, as always. Oh, okay. I mean, that's a pretty nice team to have, I guess. Good luck to you then. I don't know if I should call you Bok Choy or LO. Bengals are some guy named Tim S. Oops. Yeah, Chargers guys in the house. Dolphins guys in the house. See if Tim S is in here. Tim, are you in here, sir? Oh, you're talking about Jerry Rice? Don, you saw the Jerry Rice card? Alright, you saw it, you saw it. It's hard to argue with that, too. It's hard to argue with it. Alright, guys, that's our packs open right there. Everything except the pink camos. So let's get into it and see what we can pull. Good luck. Ooh, Phil says he's got a couple Jerry Rice rookies. Don, you hear that? Green Calvin Johnson for Detroit. There's a Jerry Rice will to win insert for Don. Cooper Kupp. Rod Woodson. He's a Hall of Famer. Boomer Esiason. Larry Fitz. Kyler Murray got game. Brian Edwards, rookie. We got a Mosaic coming up. Brian Urlacher, Hall of Fame for the Bears. Nick G. Touchdown Masters. CMC. Deebo Samuel, Jordan Hicks. Ooh, I didn't even see this. Nice one here for Washington. We got a Chase Young silver. Chase Young silver for Washington. Stephen L., Washington football team, gets a nice Chase Young silver rookie. There you go, Chase Young. Michael Perrin for the Jets. Will to win, Julio Jones, Prism. Antonio Gandy Golden rookie for Washington. My camera's had it today. It's overworked. Russell Wilson for Seattle. Pro Bowl green. For Detroit, Ryan H. DeAndre Swift, NFL debut. We got a Mosaic Prism coming up. John Elway in the Denver Broncos. Nice little John Elway here for Denver. Josh Jacobs. Here's a Jordan Love for the Packers. Chad S. Jordan Love, NFL debut, rookie. Silver coming up here. Ooh, nice silver for the Arizona Cardinals. Kyler Murray. Kyler Murray silver. Nice one. DeAndre Swift rookie for Detroit. DeAndre Swift. Green, AJ Terrell rookie for Atlanta. Touchdown Masters Adrian Peterson for Washington. Lamar Jackson MVPs. Old school Joe Namath insert for the Jets. Chase Claypool rookie for Pittsburgh. That's nice for Pittsburgh. Colin D. We got a green Ryan Tannehill for the Titans. Anthony D. Here's one for Don. Got game Jimmy Garoppolo. Insert. Henry Ruggs, NFL debut. Here's a Drew Brees. Touchdown Masters Prism for the Saints. Anthony D. Nice Drew Brees. Denzel Mims. Holy cow. Bok Choy, are you in here? Bok Choy, are you still watching, sir? Bok Choy and the Chargers just got a Justin Herbert Green Prism rookie. Justin Herbert Green Prism. That's a nice card there. Congratulations, Bok Choy. That's a nice looking card. Congratulations. Yeah. Howie Long. Don, you have your opinions and I have mine. I know he's not the best to ever do it, but in my heart he is. Flea Flickers insert for Minnesota. Dalvin Cook, Adam Thielen, Kirk Cousins. Here's a nice Jerry Jeudy rookie for Denver. Nick Bosa. There you go, Don. There's a Nick Bosa green for the 49ers. Another Flea Flicker insert for Pittsburgh. Jerome Bettis. Juju Smith-Schuster. Terry Bradshaw. Odd combination. Barry is a beast. Yeah, he is. Nice one for the Vikings. Justin Jefferson, NFL debut. We got a green Adrian Peterson, got game, Prism. Jordan Love rookie for the Packers. That's the second Jordan Love we have. We have a green Darius Leonard for the Colts. Nick G. Will to win, Khalil Mack. MVPs, Patrick Mahomes. We have a Saquon Barkley. Got game Mosaic for the Giants. Shiny, shiny. Jonathan Taylor, rookie for the Colts. Jimmy G. Try to hit something for Philip here, guys. Sony Michel for the Patriots. Flea Flickers, Denver Broncos. Ed McCaffrey, Terrell Davis, John Elway. Emmitt Smith. Jared Goff. Nice one for Don again. Old school, Steve Young, green prism insert for the 49ers. Isaiah Simmons rookie for the Cardinals. Jerry Rice, there's Don's favorite. Jerry. Tom Brady, that's a nice one for the Bucks. Ooh, here's another nice one. Deion Sanders. Deion Sanders green for the Falcons. Neon Deion, prime time. Will to win, Baker Mayfield. NFL debut, A.J. Dillon. Mahomes, Drew Lock got game. Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. There's another rookie for the Chargers. Cameron Jordan. Mariota. There you go, Don. Another Mosaic prism. George Kittle. Nice little George Kittle there. Mosaic prism for Don. Touchdown Masters, Eli Manning. Harrison Smith. For the Jags, Chris Conley, Prism, Silver. And look at this last card. Last card in the packs. Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow, base rookie. Last card in there for Cincinnati and Tim S. Joe Burrow just waiting there at the end. Last card. I know Don's taking it all from you, Phil. You gotta tell him to stop that. Joe Burrow. All right, we still got the pink camo packs to go. We could still get Phil something. Here we go. It's not too late yet. Andre Johnson. Nick Bosa. Ooh, there's one for Miami. It's not the one you want, Phil, but this is a nice one. Dan Marino. Dan Marino, Hall of Fame, pink for Miami, and Phil St. Pierre. Gotta like Dan Marino. Allen Robinson. Sony Michel. And Lynn Bowden Jr. for the Raiders. Lynn Bowden Jr. Phil likes the Dolphins. Dan Marino. Dan Marino was one of the best to never win a ring. He was a tremendous player. Carlos Hyde. Steve Largent. And NFL debut, DeAndre Swift. Mark Ingram. Keenan Allen. And Michael Thomas, Pro Bowl for the Saints. Yeah, Swift is, he's pretty much my guy that I pull. TJ Hawkinson, Juju Smith-Schuster, and Denzel Mims for the Jets. DJ Chark. Bok Choy's got he still likes that card. Well, we're gonna show it again in the recap here, guys. You'll get to see it again. Henry Ruggs III. Julio Jones. Howie Long. And Gabriel Davis for the Bills, Ryan H. Almost done, dude. Matthew Stafford. Donovan McNabb. And Cole Kmet, NFL debut rookie for the Bears, Nick G. Cole Beasley. There's another one. Dan Marino again. There you go, Phil. Another Dan Marino. That's 2. And Joshua Kelly rookie for Bok Choy. So Phil has 2 Dan Marinos now. Hall of Fame Dan Marino and regular base Dan Marino. Roquan Smith. Jared Stidham. And Michael Perrin. 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs left. Travis Kelce. Phil, I'm glad he's liking the Dan Marinos. We all know he was looking for Tuas, but got to give him the love for liking those Marinos as well. Good for you, Phil. Eddie George and John Elway, Hall of Fame. Last pack, guys. Come on, let's get some mojo for Phil here. Tua. Jason Witten. Lawrence Taylor. And our last rookie of the break, Brian Edwards for the Raiders. Alright guys, let's go over the recap. It's going to be a short one. So we did get the Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow for the Bengals. Tim S. We got the Chase Young silver rookie for Washington and Stephen L. And then Bok Choy. Justin Herbert. Green Prism for the Chargers and Bok Choy. Card looks to be in perfect condition. Very nice card. Congratulations. And that's actually going to do it for us tonight, guys. That was our last break. That was our last break of Saturday. Thank you to everybody that joined. Thank you to everybody in chat. Bok Choy, Don, Phil. Appreciate you guys. You want these gloves? I don't think you want me to send you my gloves, man. Will is, I'm sorry, yeah, I think you did get a couple Cowboys in there. I saw some, I didn't see any CeeDee Lambs, but I think I saw some, I saw Troy Aikman, I think, or something. But yeah, not too many Cowboys. Well, guys, that's going to do it for us tonight. Thank you to all that joined. Thank you guys in the chat. Thank you to everybody that watched on YouTube and Breakers. Appreciate each and every one of you. And we'll be back Monday night, guys. Actually, Monday afternoon, we have an absolute football break at 1. And we do have another one of these Mosaic guys. We have another Mosaic football at 1:45 Central Standard Time. And we do have another Mosaic box at Monday night at 7:30 Central Standard Time. So if you guys want to check out either of those Mosaic breaks, they'll be on Monday. You can check out the same eBay as tonight, Giannis Grill 6. And until next time, guys, have a great rest of your Saturday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Stay safe, guys. We'll see you next time.